halfway through our road run on this BSA 1939 BSA first contract WM20. We've used nearly as many original parts as we could get. As I say, we've done about 7 or 8 miles now. I'm not quite sure what the problem is, but Pete's not happy with the carburettor for some reason. We'll see how it goes. It's a very, very rare bike, as many of you will know. It's a 1939, about November. We thought we'd come here because you can see there's not so much high grass. It's got a really nice sound to it. It's badged to Tuchel. It's a BEF machine. I have pictures of the core markings where they were abandoned at Dunkirk, and we've copied that. It's also got a frame number put on somewhere in Europe in or after the war, which we left. It was obviously left. It was a machine that was left at Dunkirk, is what I believe. And we've done her back up to Tuchel. That's about it, I think. You can see some of the unusual bits, like the Ni-Fi. You've got the Ni-Fi battery, the little Lucas horn, the correct short field stand. There was 3 different patterns. This is right for this one with the valance guard and the torpedo light. And you can see this is how they looked in the BEF. So bought this magnetic, which is quite good for Maxholm signs if anybody wants one, and it just means you can put your diff signs on properly where they should be on some of these older bikes. And I'll just open Pete a minute. The red mark was where we dropped some sealant on it, I'm afraid. Well, you know, this is its test, so this is what we were doing. It's a genuine oil telltale. Yeah, it is really a lovely looking bike. Pete's got to sort the brakes out because they're not bedded in very well. It's got a damper, the rubber mounted handlebars, the early speedometer, and a sort of classic Lucas ammeter. I think the light's doing something to this iPad today. All original. No, these haven't been cleaned. These are just had the army grease wiped off them and popped on. Yeah, I'm very pleased with it. This is for myself, so that's it. We're signing off now. Thank you.